Quick question. When someone asks you, "How are you doing?" do you always just say, "I'm fine" or "I'm good," even when that's not really true?
Because in the next few minutes, you're going to learn over 20 new ways to describe exactly how you feel: happy, sad, angry, tired, confused, all of it.
Real expressions native speakers use every single day, not just the basic words you already know.
And by the end, you'll be able to say exactly what you mean instead of just saying fine and moving on.
So stick with us because we've got a challenge for you at the end too. Let's get into it.
Floating topic bubbles.
Grammar, fluency, speaking, listening.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak English with Learn. I'm Liam.
And I'm Sophie. So happy you're here with us today.
Sophie, one of the most common things we talk about in daily conversation is simply how we feel about something.
It's literally the first question everyone asks. Hey, how's it going?
Right, and most learners just say happy, sad, tired, angry. Those words work, but English speakers actually have a huge range of expressions for this.
Which means you can be so much more precise about exactly what you're feeling, instead of just picking one basic word.
Before we dive in, quick favour. If you enjoy episodes like this, please subscribe to Speak English with Learn so you never miss one.
It genuinely helps us keep making these for you. Okay, let's start with something fun. Have you ever heard someone say they had all the feels?
I've seen that online a lot actually, usually under an emotional video or a movie clip.
Exactly. It's a very informal expression and it means feeling a whole depth and mix of emotions at once.
Give me an example.
Imagine you watch a commercial that somehow makes you cry, and you feel this strange mix of sadness, hope, and warmth all together.
You'd tell a friend, that commercial gave me all the feels.
Exactly. Once you know it, you'll start noticing it everywhere.
Okay, now that we've got that one, let's talk about happiness. Because there's actually a big difference between different kinds of happy.
There really is. Being happy it's Friday feels very different from being happy because you just got offered your dream job.
So let's go through 4 ways to describe that. First one, to be thrilled.
I use this word constantly. It means to be extremely pleased about something.
Like when a listener tells you an episode actually helped them.
Exactly. I'm thrilled. Second one, blissfully happy.
Blissful basically means completely full of happiness.
Right. Imagine total contentment, nothing bothering you at all.
Third one is close to thrilled, to be delighted.
Also means extremely pleased. You might be delighted that your team landed a big client.
Or delighted that your friend surprised you with your favorite coffee.
And the last one, my personal favorite, to be giddy.
Giddy with excitement, right?
Exactly. Giddy can actually mean feeling dizzy. So picture being so excited that you almost feel lightheaded.
Or it can mean light-hearted, completely carefree, no worries at all.
I like to imagine it as a wave of excitement washing over you. Overwhelming, but on the best way.
Okay, we've covered happy. Now let's flip it. Feeling sad.
You know those mornings where you wake up and just don't feel great? And you're not even sure why?
All the time, honestly.
In that case, you might say you're feeling blue.
So if a friend calls and asks how you're doing, you could say, feeling kind of blue today.
Exactly. A slightly stronger version is to feel down or down in the dumps.
Same idea, sad or a bit depressed. If a friend just lost their job, they might be feeling down.
Or you notice a friend seems off and you might say, "You look a bit down. Is everything okay?"
Third expression, I'm not really feeling it.
This one means you're just generally disinterested in something.
I actually used that recently. My sister loved a movie we watched together, and afterwards she said, "Wasn't that amazing?" And I just said, I wasn't really feeling it.
Which usually happens when you're tired or a bit down about something else entirely.
And the last one, a powerful one, to have a heavy heart.
This means you're very sad, even miserable.
Maybe a friend received bad news or something upsetting happened at work.
You might tell a coworker, "I have a really heavy heart today."
Before we move to feeling angry, quick tip for everyone listening.
After you hear each of these expressions, pause for a second and make your own sentence using it.
That repetition is what actually helps the vocabulary stick in your memory.
Exactly. Don't just listen, use it. Okay, now let's talk about anger.
First one, a fun word for a not so fun feeling. To feel prickly.
A cactus is prickly, right? And when a person is prickly, it means they're easily offended, ready to snap at anything.
You probably know someone at work like that. You never know what's going to upset them.
Sometimes we're all prickly, especially after a bad night's sleep.
And the danger of being prickly is you never know when someone is about to explode.
Explode meaning a sudden burst of anger. Like, we were all shocked when our manager exploded during the meeting.
Or if you feel yourself getting there, you might warn someone, "I'm about to explode," which basically means walk away right now.
And the strongest one on our list, to be furious.
Extremely angry, possibly right on the edge of exploding.
Okay, we've done happy, sad, and angry. Now let's move to tired, confused, and a couple of ways to show empathy.
Starting with tired. First one, to feel worn down.
This means being weary, overwhelmed by stress and pressure over time.
You might come home Friday and say, "I'm so worn down. I just want to sleep the whole weekend."
Similar sounding but slight different, to be worn out.
This one is usually more physical, like after an intense workout or a long run.
And when you're worn out, you might need to take a breather.
Meaning, pause everything for a bit and just relax.
Like, "I'm worn out. I'm just taking a breather this weekend."
And the strongest word for tired, simply to be exhausted.
How are you feeling with all this new vocabulary so far?
Honestly, a little overwhelmed, but in a good way. Let's keep going. 4 more for confused and 2 for showing empathy.
First one, to feel off or slightly off.
General sense of not being clear-minded or a light sadness too.
You might say, "I feel off today." Maybe you slept poorly or you're coming down with something.
Second, to be a hot mess.
This means being completely disorganized. Everything feels lification.
After a terrible day at work, you might say, I'm a hot mess today.
Third, to feel puzzled. A great word for confusion, usually clearer with some doubt or uncertainty.
And the last one, to have mixed feelings.
Perfect for doubt too. Imagine you're about to make a big decision and part of you says yes, part of you says no.
You have mixed feelings about it. Same with a work decision. Maybe your team proposed a solution, but something feels off about it.
So that's 21 expressions total plus all the feels. Now 2 final ones for showing empathy.
If a friend says, I feel totally worn out, you could respond, I feel ya.
Or, I know the feeling. Both are perfect ways to show you understand exactly what someone's going through.
Now, before we wrap up, here's your challenge for today.
Pick 3 expressions from this episode and write your own sentence using each one.
Post them in the comments. We genuinely read every single one.
If today's episode helped you describe your emotions more precisely, please like this video, subscribe to Speak English with Learn, and share it with a friend who could use bigger vocabulary too.
Thanks so much for learning with us today.
Keep practicing a little every day, and your English will keep growing.
See you in the next episode. Bye, everyone.